This video will demonstrate how to replace the control panel on a Napoleon Freestyle Grill. The following tools are recommended to have on hand when performing this service: a 50-50 water dish soap mixture, basting brush, a 4mm Allen key, safety glasses, gloves, and 2 adjustable wrenches. To begin, turn your attention to the cabinet and disconnect the fuel source from the grill. Ensure you unhook the flex hose from the supply hose clip, as this will allow easier removal of the control panel. Next, turn your attention to the 2 Allen key locations on either side of the control panel and lift the lid on the grill. Use the 4mm Allen key to remove all the bolts from either side of the control panel, then tilt the control panel forward and lift it upward to remove it from the grill. Use the adjustable wrenches to remove the connection between the flex hose and the regulator. Locate the new control panel and connect the flex hose to the regulator, tightening it with the adjustable wrenches. Tighten the connection 1/4 turn past snug to ensure good seal. Now lift the control panel and carefully place it over the front of the grill, placing the top first and tilting it downward so it sits in place correctly. While holding the control panel in place, use the 4mm Allen key to reinstall the bolts on the side of the control panel to secure it. Rehang the flex hose inside of the cabinet and reconnect the fuel supply to the grill before turning on the gas to perform a leak test. Create a mixture that's 50% water and 50% dish soap and apply it to all gas connections using a basting brush. Look for bubbles forming at the connections, indicating a leak, and tighten them as necessary. With the leak test fully performed, the installation of the control panel is complete. Find this video helpful? Subscribe to the Wolf Steel technical page for more installation and troubleshooting videos.